Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty positions means assistant professor, professor and associate professor vacancies from total 10 central universities and 11 state universities, and nearly the 4,500 plus faculty positions are there. And out of this one, few universities are offering the permanent vacancies and few universities are offering the guest type of vacancies, that means on contractual basis. And whatever the permanent vacancies are announced, and they are going to provide the level 10 category for the assistant professor, that is the salary might be in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government university faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And after watching this video and after going through all the different universities, if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. Okay, so if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And if you are looking for the online personalized job consultancy, one Google form link I kept in the description box of this video. So with a minimum charge 100 rupees. Okay, so if you fill up the form, whatever the jobs you require, we will directly mail them to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this, in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I am conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC online live classes from the Unacademy side. The present content of the video. So from Still Outlook website, here we got this notification, guys, or as this article, that is the 10 central universities and 11 state universities are recruiting more than 4,500 faculty positions. And in this video, I am going to show you the list of 10 central universities and the list of 11 state universities, and whatever the universities you are interested, so you please go through the official website of that university and check for the recruitment notifications. And if you are having any doubts in that one, then please mention in the comment section of this video that for which university you want the detailed notification. So based upon your comment, then definitely I will come up in the next video to explain or else to elaborate about the details regarding that mentioned university. Fine. So while going to the details, so coming to the central universities, Central University of Gujarat, total 68 faculty posts are there. So faculty positions means here assistant professor, professor and associate professor. So all these three will be included, guys. And if you go to the individual or the official website, then you will come to know how many assistant professor vacancies are there as per the caste category. Okay. So 29th October is the last date, and Central University of Rajasthan 13 positions are there. 31st October is the last date, and University of Allahabad 597 faculty positions. 27th October is the last date, and Mahatma Gandhi Antarrashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalaya Wardha 18 faculty positions, and University of Delhi 251. 20th October is the last date. Central University of Haryana 94 faculty positions. 10th October is the last date, and after date extension. Okay, Mizoram University 61 faculty positions. 13th October. Central University of Punjab 86 faculty positions, 21st October. Guru Ghasidas University Bilaspur 112 faculty positions, and it is a rolling advertisement, that means you can apply at any time. Okay, so total these are the list of the central universities, guys. So in out of this one, whatever the engineering departments are there, so for the engineering departments only post graduation is enough in the case of assistant professor. But while coming to the other than the engineering departments means PG with UGC net is required. Okay. And next, coming to the state universities, the list of the state universities that from Karnataka Examinations Authority 1242 faculty positions announced, guys. So you can utilize this opportunity. But here in KEA, they asked that the candidate must belongs to the Karnataka state. Okay. 6th November is the last date. And Purvanchal University 40 faculty positions. 27 October is the last date. University of Kashmir 112 faculty positions, 21st October, and 10 engineering colleges under APJ AKT University Lucknow 154 faculty positions, 6th October, that means date already done, and this one also date already done. And Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University So Bareilly 84 faculty positions, this one also already done. But once check the official websites of this one guys, are there any date extensions? Okay, please once check. And Uttar Pradesh PSC 1254 15th October. Okay, and Bankura University, so this one also date over. And Siddharth University Kapilavastu, so this one also date over. So whatever the date completed here, once please check the official website, are there any date extensions are there? Okay, Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Gorakhpur, so 11th October, 96 faculty positions. Jammu and Kashmir Public Service Commission 173 7th October, and Harcourt Butler Technical University Kanpur 73 faculty positions 8th October, and the Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women 48 faculty positions. Fine. So total these are the different list of the state universities and the list of the central universities. Okay, so whatever the dates are already done in the case of the some 4 state universities, please once check the official website of those universities guys. If are there any date extensions are there, then you may apply. Otherwise you just opt for the other universities. Okay, so total these are the list guys, and so please go through in details of this one. Okay, so if your subjects are not required, or else if your requirement are not meet up, then put your requirement in the comment section. Okay, so if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. Or else if you want to get the recruitment notifications directly to your registered mail ID, then one Google form link I kept in the description box of this video. So fill up that one, and minimum charge is only 100 rupees. Okay, so whatever the notifications we are getting based upon your profile, we will directly send to your registered mail ID. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues guys. It will be very much helpful to them. Okay, and to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, from Unacademy side here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.